Usually when a home says beach location, it just means you can kind of see the ocean if you try. Here, if you step outside, it's right there. The beach, the breeze, the whole rhythm of Ocean Beach is right here. And that changes everything about how this home feels. Honestly, it's just one of those places that sells itself before you even say a word. La Playa, Ocean Beach, Outer Richmond. If you know, you know. And look, I'm not trying to be dramatic. It's just one of those places that feels right when you're here. So you get the beach, the park, Cliff House, Land's End, and great local spots like Andytown, which is just on the corner, and a part of San Francisco that just feels more relaxed, a lot more relaxed than people expect. It has that everyday quality and just a vibe that's hard to fake. You can actually picture yourself living here. And that's the thing. This doesn't feel like a place you just pass through. It feels like a place that you settle into. And that's probably the best way to describe this property. It just feels like a really good place to be.